you are. Let's go, Sammy. Whew, what a fun opening.
So true. When you don't know what to do, go back to old-time classics.
Guys, did you get what craft we're making today?
If you're lost, we'll give you an answer in a few seconds. Stay tuned. Stu, are you gonna make such an iconic character just from corrugated cardboard?
Sammy, don't worry. It's gonna look awesome, trust me.
Guess I have no other option. Okay, what are we doing?
Now you're in. We start with the main body shape. By the way, our character will be fully dressed, and this is a piece of his t-shirt.
Holy cannoli, I know that t-shirt. Does he wear blue pants too?
Yep, seems like you already know the right answer.
Sure! It's the one and only Bart Simpson! I'm a huge fan.
Oh yeah, both of you are unrivaled mischiefs.
Are you sure? You're a trickster yourself.
Guys, we've made the upper torso shape. It's about 11 centimeters in height. We use the same technique to make the lower torso. Here it is. Where is our Sammy hiding? Let's shuffle the cones and… I was sure he'd be here.
Ha! Who's the main trickster now?
Okay, that was quite impressive, right guys? Give us a thumbs up. And now let's proceed. Now we'll connect these two parts like this.
We need to cover that ugly seam. Ay, caramba!
Sorry, what did you say?
Come on, Sue! It's Bart's most famous catchphrase.
I know, but some viewers may not know about it. We've just put it in the right context.
Phew! Then I'm relieved. Here, the next step is cardboard legs.
Guys, use the bushings, 6 centimeters each, and wrap them in yellow cardboard stripes.
I'm gonna roll the bushing on the corrugated cardboard. See who does best.
But mine is ready. I guess I'm the winner.
Sue, look! I'm done here.
Aha! No, they look pretty much the same.
Uh-huh. They should be. Let's start making his shorts.
These blue shorts are another Bart Simpson trademark.
Are they really yummy? Let me have a bite. Nom nom nom. Ew, it's worse than cheese.
Sammy, why did you even do that?
Bart always says he'll eat his pants. I thought that was a literal suggestion.
You took his joke too seriously. Guys, never try this at home. While Sam was busy eating pants, I almost finished Bart's sneakers. Whoosh! Wow! Use a spiral technique to make a half oval shape and slash it along the middle.
Just the right size, Susie. You know, I'm starting to like cardboard Bart.
I'm so glad. And I covered the seam with a figure cardboard piece, and we'll put together the legs and the torso like this.
Shiver me cheddars. Bart, you've grown a lot.
Not surprising at all. He turned 40 recently.
What? That can't be true. I've got to check that.
Sounds good to stay a 10-year-old boy for 30 years, right?
How old am I, actually? Oh, I have a headache. Okay, Sue, wrap! That's something new.
You look too startled, Sammy. It's just a lower jaw. And now I'm adding some volume to the lower lip.
We'd repeat the Simpsons' iconic features just using cardboard? Woo!
Yeah, this is a real challenge. Anyway, we're doing great. We'll just use white corrugated cardboard and a black marker to make teeth.
Hurry up, Susie! His upper lip is a bit heavy. Thanks.
I know, you're just pretending. You can easily lift Bart yourself.
I accept that challenge, but I need to do some exercises first.
Let's start the teeth surgery. Embed the teeth between the upper lip and the lower jaw.
Oh, Susan, there's a big hole in the back.
So we need more cardboard. Let's take a piece 6 centimeters wide. We'll use it to cover the backside of the head.
Let's get it done with the upper lip, too. I brought more cardboard pieces for extra volume.
Yep, I agree. We need 3 more layers of cardboard pieces for that. Bart, stand still.
Holy cannoli! His head is huge! Susie, we're making a giant!
Sammy, don't forget that we still have to cut out his hair.
Yeah, his iconic haircut. Guys, do you think it would suit me?
You'll be the first slime in history with such a look.
I love to be the first at everything.
Great! Then you'll be my first helper with that cardboard piece.
You're unbelievable, Susan. You know that?
You love me for it. Anyway, let's roll this piece to make a cylinder shape. Now we can join the 2 parts of the head. Here's the result. Next are the eyeballs. We'll use stripes of white corrugated cardboard 1 centimeter in width each.
And the spiral technique will help us get a perfect eyeball shape.
Let's try them out. Sounds a bit creepy. Oh, and looks creepy too.
That looks cool, although I feel like something's missing.
I know what you're talking about. His eyelids. Here you go. Now his eyes look complete. Sammy, it's not the right time for playing football.
What about playing with someone's nose then? I mean, with Bart's nose, haha!
Give me that. Bart Simpson would defo consider it an insult.
What is he gonna do? Make me eat his pants?
Oh, you can't even imagine, Sammy. You'll have to finish this craft. Guys, stay tuned. We'll show you how to make Bart's iconic look.
What are you wearing? We should find the sleeves from your t-shirt.
You're on the right track. Use the stripes of red cardboard 1 centimeter wide. Guys, you've already mastered this part.
Susie, what if Bart wants to wear a long sleeve?
I suppose it's weird. This t-shirt is as famous as he.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry, buddy, but it's your only fashion choice.
Guys, keep going. The sleeve eventually flows into Bart's arm. Here you go, Sammy. Please keep it safe.
Huh? Isn't it too short? Susie, you forgot about the body proportions.
Nope. I'm making the lower part of the arm right now. It has a slightly different shape.
It is awesome. I need to make sketches and repeat these bends on the other arm.
Great idea. Let's finish the bagel then. Oops, I meant the arm.
It really has a bagel shape. Cool punch.
Thanks, Sammy. Now let's connect the two parts. And here is the whole arm.
And you've even closed the seam.
Then we'll attach the arm to the torso. Sammy, come on, you'll miss it.
Nice job, Susie. I give you a thumbs up.
Awesome. Guys, would you give us a thumbs up too?
Hurry up, guys. Bart already has got 2.
Bart is here in his shining glory, but we couldn't miss his favorite item.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything.
Wow, check it out, guys. Any ideas?
What about now? Wheels are out, Sue.
I'm sure you've already got it. Even if you haven't seen The Simpsons, you defo recognize this skateboard's spare parts. Bart's skateboard is green, so let's use green corrugated cardboard to cover up the deck.
The trucks are covered with gray cardboard. Follow our lead.
We'll glue the trucks to the skate onto the opposite sides. There we go.
Miss, your vehicle can't move without the wheels.
Thank you. I can do it without a wrench.
Holy cannoli, you're a magician, Sue.
Guys, join me and help Sammy finish the skateboard.
Woohoo! I was born to skateboard.
Hey, Sammy, shall we finish the craft?
Oopsie, I lost myself for a bit. Guys, let's join Bart Simpson on his first ride.
Oh, Sammy, we've left such a big mess here.
I didn't do it.
Sammy, come back. I need your help with the cleaning.
Eat my pants. Ha
Seems like you've eaten Bart Simpson's spirit and become him.
ha. Sure. Ay, caramba.
I told ya. Give me my Sammy back. Guys, did you like this craft? Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Ha! Bart and I were happy to meet y'all. See you soon.